Welcome, in front of me is an LG Q6 and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started you will want to open up Settings. From here navigate to Storage, select your SD card. Once it loads up you want to select three dots and go to Storage Settings where you should find the Format option. Now once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, so if there is anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, and click on Format, this will immediately begin the process. Now for some reason when it does that, it does eject the card as well for some reason, and there we go. I believe now the process is finished, so let's click on Done and we're finished with the format of the SD card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.